Okay, this is the 77 Grand Prix, 12,000 original miles, one owner. So, you can't see the thing. Oh, there you go. You can see it there. Oh, there's something. Which, I mean, those could be easily fixed. You're not painting a panel. The top is... no rust around the windows. And there's one fault on the roof, which I think you get a guy to fix. I know someone that could fix that. It looks like there's two dings on the whole car that I showed you over there. It's a pristine car. The other cool thing with this one too is look at that interior. Now the air conditioning doesn't work. He says that, you know, with the R12, if he filled it, it would work. I'd switch it to R134 and see where, for first check for leaks, and then, you know, put the R134. But everything's original in it. And there's those miles.